Welcome to the Institute of Making. My name's Zoe. You join me here in our materials library, a collection of wondrous stuff, and I want to talk to you about this. This is a high-density polyethylene. It's a thermosoft polymer, so it's a plastic which, when you heat it, it doesn't burn, it melts, and when it's in its sort of soft, malleable state, you can reform it and turn it into other things. And this is a material that I use to make very quick and rough prototypes of stuff. Like, for example, this is a handle for a whisk I made for a friend who has problems gripping things with his hands. But this specific blob, this is a lump of the material which is a purge in the recycling process. So when you're recycling this material, you chip up all of the plastic that's that type. So think milk bottles, okay? So the white plastic that is high density polyethylene milk bottles, you chip that up and then you essentially have to sort it. You have to get the white stuff from the coloured stuff because the white plastic is the premium product. So at the recycling plant, they have all this confetti of plastic, these little chips and flakes of plastic, and then they tumble it from the ceiling of the warehouse to the ground, and it tumbles in front of an array of cameras, and those cameras are looking to spy for the bits of white plastic. And when they see the white plastic, they send a message to an air jet that's positioned directly below, and the air jet blows the white plastic. And so by the bottom of the waterfall, you have a vat of mixed coloured plastics and then a vat of the white plastic. And then you take the white plastic, you melt it down, you turn it into new milk bottles. But occasionally, sometimes a coloured bit of plastic gets into that white mix and kind of corrupts it in the sense of it stops it being white anymore. So they have to stop the machines and like purge out the bit of contaminant. So this is when it's being purged. So you can see the sort of colour contrast. And it's kind of got this greeny colour because in the UK our most common type of milk is semi-skimmed, and that has a green lid. So more often than not, the type of coloured plastic which is most likely to get in with the white is a little bit of green. But it tells you both how powerful the dyes are, but also how precious it is to maintain that sort of integrity of the white coloured plastic. So I think the lesson would be all milk should have white lids. But anyway, high density polyethylene, amazing stuff, really precious, something that we should cherish and use with care and consideration.